welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday. I normally have day like this on a Sunday. I like to clean, do my grocery shopping, meal prepping, all of that, ending the week on a clean note, por así decirlo. Right now I'm on my way to do my grocery shopping. I have my little list here. The first thing that I did today, went ahead and did my meal planning for the week. I like to go on TikTok and choose some recipes. I search up for like healthy recipes, easy dinner recipes, because you know sometimes cooking takes a really long time. I'm a slow cooker, so it can take me a couple hours to get a dish done. I like to do things that are kind of like simple and easy. When I go on TikTok to find these recipes, I'll then go ahead and save them. I have different collections, so I'll save them under the food, have it ready so I can go back to it if I need to. So once I find a recipe that I like, I will go ahead and just write out all of the ingredients for it in this recipe book that I have. It's a digital recipe book. We already have an ingredient, then I will just mark that off. And it might seem like a lot of steps and a lot of work, going on TikTok, finding recipes, saving them, then going to the digital recipe book and writing out all of the ingredients, because after that I like to go on my notes app and write out all of the ingredients that I will actually need for the recipe to buy today. That's like an extra step. Sometimes I will take like my whole iPad with me to the store, but it can be a little inconvenient, so I like to just write it out on my phone. That way it's very easy to just check off what I have. Once I do all of that, then I go to my weekly meal plan for the week, and I'll write out the recipes, what I'm planning to do each day. That helps me stay organized, because as I've mentioned before, I have a bad memory. I will use a lot of lists and I will plan out everything that I need to do. If I don't write it down, I will most likely forget. Let's go to the store and get all the groceries for this week. So I just got here to the store and it is packed. There's way too many people. I don't like to go grocery shopping when there's like so much people. It stresses me out a little bit. It gives me a little bit of anxiety. I don't usually come at this time. I usually come after 6 or 7. Oh well, I'm already here, so I'm gonna go get my groceries. An iced matcha tea latte, 1 pump brown sugar, 1 pump chai, and sweet foam. That'll be all. Hi, good. Thank you so much. You too. So I decided to come to Starbucks. It's really hot. I needed a refreshing drink, and I'm gonna be pretty busy for the next few hours. I love these. The ones I make at home are good. I like them. I will make one almost every day. But these from Starbucks, oh my gosh. You might see me drinking one of these like on every video. Let's go home now. I changed into some sweatpants so I can be more comfy and get the rest of the day going. Here I have my pile of white and dark. What are you doing there, baby? You want to get washed too? You need a bath. And here's my colors. I do like to wash the jeans separate though. I don't want them staining any of my clothes. night I went to sleep like around 2 in the morning, and so now I'm really feeling it. My body's starting to ache a little, but we have to keep going. I just have to clean the room. I want to take my dog a little bath, and I know I had a couple other things in the list, but I think I'm basically just gonna do that, and then the meal prepping for my husband's lunch for a couple days, and that'll be it because I'm really tired. I cleaned the room yesterday and everything quedó bien limpiecito, bien bonito, acomodadito, and now the room is a mess again. Well, that's just life. Our rooms or space always get messy every single day. I have some clothes over here, food. My husband was eating a snack. This is laziness on another level. I'm not taking these off. I'm just gonna do the bed. It's giving cozy vibes, plus I can't move them. He's just playing over here and he's chilling. It's a Sunday afternoon and not everything needs to be perfect. Everything else has a home. May not be the cutest, the most aesthetic, but it's in its place. Other times I am a little more, what's the word? Strict, and I want it to look a certain way and be a certain way, but today I'm just really tired and this is just what it's gonna be. And my desk vanity area looks fine. I did the litter, I did the most important things. Hey, you ready for your bed? Good boy. Sipping on this margarita that my father-in-law made me. So good.
Epic. What do you do?
One more thing that wasn't on today's list that I want to do is clear out my bag. So I have this tote bag that's I've been using recently. So I want to make sure that I don't have any trash or tickets like this. Not tickets, receipts. I just have cash, just wandering around. Let me put it in my wallet.
Hey, yo, of course.
If you hear anybody talking, that is my husband, who is playing with his friends. It has some ibuprofen. Let me just pour out everything that will be here. And apparently I do have some trash in here. Of course I do. I'm gonna put some things back in the bag. This I gotta leave in the car. This is my little bag with small things that get lost in the tote bag. And my lotion. Okay, the lotion doesn't fit in here. Back in there, my wallet, ibuprofen, my hand lotion, and a pad. These earphones, I don't think I want to put them back. A snack, charger for my phone. The rest is pretty much trash.
You said this to Eric?
Okay, that's it.
This is Eric, and he's gonna tell you something.